What's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to create your own custom paint palette. So if you go to your paint palette here, it's the third one down. Now the reason you'd want to create your own paint palette is because not all the colors that are available in the silhouette are all the colors that you want. For example, I have this Caesar color chart here. If you use a lot of Caesar, you're going to want to have these colors in your silhouette so you can color your images those colors, so A, you can see how they look, and B, you can pass them on to your clients to see how they like them and give them the exact color options. So this is the Caesar color chart for the Easy Weed that I created. I will put this in the crafting community group on Facebook in the guide section. You'll be able to download this exact file so you can create your own color palette. So in the fill panel over here on the right, looks like a paint palette. You'll see where it says new palette name. So we're just going to name that Easy Weed Colors. Enter. So now it has this paint palette here. If I hover over it, it says Easy Weed Color, and then you have your plus sign. So this is where it gets tricky and time consuming. So if I draw this square here, I'm just going to color it in black so you guys can see it. Now, if I wanted to add bright red, this color here, what I need to do is make sure this black box is highlighted, come over here and grab this eyedropper tool, and then as you can see, as I go over this, it changes that little box to anything that I pick. So if I click on the bright red, it changes this to bright red. So now that I have this highlighted, I can go over here and hit the plus sign, and now the bright red has been added. So if I wanted to add the next color, say this retro mint down here, as long as this is highlighted, you can then go over, click the eyedropper tool, and then go down here and click retro mint, and then hit the plus sign. So anything that is selected here and then clicked on your fill color is what's going to create this color into your paint palette here. So now moving forward, when you start a new design and you go and you draw a star and then you want to color this retro mint, you can go into your paint palette, and then down here it's got the retro mint color and the bright red. So this will save in here as long as you have your silhouette. It won't go away unless you delete it. If you double click on the paint palette next to it, you can delete it from there. So I do understand it'd be very time consuming to go in here and add all the colors. You could add bubblegum, and then you could add the burgundy, and then you could add the cadet green. So now I have all these colors in here. But like I said, once it's in there, and then it's good to go. So it's just a quick, easy way to get certain colors you may use all the time into your silhouette system, so that way you can reference them whenever you want. As far as I know, this is the quickest way to do it. If you have a quicker way, please let me know. I'll update the video. If you have any questions, comment or reach out. Like I said, this heat transfer vinyl Caesar color chart will be in the guide section of the crafting community Facebook page. I'll link that too. Thanks.